What's going on, y'all? Today, let's talk about one of the hottest proof of stake blockchains on the market, in the crypto market right now. I think this blockchain can even battle with Ethereum, Avalanche, and Phantom. Let's get into it. Near Protocol. So, what is Near Protocol and what all are they trying to do as a layer one blockchain? Well, I'm glad you asked. So, if you know anything about layer ones, if you know anything about Ethereum, about DeFi, one of the biggest problem is scalability, transaction speeds, and its gas fees. So what this layer one blockchain, their protocol is trying to do is they're trying to be one of the most scalable blockchains. Ethereum processes, I believe, about 10 transactions a second. So Near Protocol is trying to be a scalable blockchain. Now they have implemented something called sharding. Summing up what this article says here, sharding basically allows for nodes to be split up into different sections to allow for more nodes to be able to join the Near Protocol network. Now, Near is focusing on decentralization and they're focusing on developers. Now, if you know anything about how Ethereum and why Ethereum is so almost indestructible, and even with Ethereum's high gas fees, why people are still using the network is because they have so many developers on the network, which makes Ethereum have what you call a network effect. Now, if any smart person sees the network effect that Ethereum has, just like the network effect AVAX and Phantom are currently starting to have, they would want to copy that. So Nair is focusing on the developers and developer community. Nair even has things on their official YouTube page where they show developers talking and breaking down different information. They even have a playlist here on their YouTube page where, I don't know if y'all can see this, let me zoom in a little bit, but where it basically shows how to become a certified developer in the Nair ecosystem. They also have another playlist where it basically shows demos to developers so they can learn how to develop on this platform. Sorry, my Wi-Fi is being a little bit slow right now. But yeah, this playlist on Nair Protocol's YouTube shows developers how to code and develop on the Nair platform. Any smart person knows to copy success, and with Ethereum's great level of developers, high number of developers creating their network effect, Near Protocol is trying to do the same thing, but they're trying to do it to cause, faster transaction time, lower gas fees. And the biggest issue about layer ones is gas fees, with Ethereum being the champion of that. So to see Near Protocol try to do this, do it the right way is I think it's a very, very good sign, and it's very, very bullish in my opinion for the Near Protocol token. Now, one of the downsides I do see about Near Protocol is the total value locked. Their mainnet did launch, and I believe about 2 years ago. And there's not as many, there's a lot of developers on the platform. Don't get me wrong, but there's just not a lot of, protocols and different cryptos on the platform yet. I do think that will increase just because of how serious they are about developers developing and creating that community on the protocol. But as you can see here, we're on DeFi Llama here, and there's only 1.25 mil total value locked on this platform. Some of the cryptocurrencies that are on this platform is Refinance, Metapool, and Owen Finance. I haven't heard of those. You probably haven't either. But I do think that Nair's protocol's tactic of creating a developer community and also, wanting to have low transaction times. And they've also talked about on their Twitter page how they, want to get into NFT gaming and want to prioritize that as well. I do think that's a great start for the protocol. You can actually buy Nair token on Gate.io, which is my favorite exchange. You can buy coins and make a trade with cents on the dollar. If you want to send your Near Protocol tokens off of the Gate.io exchange to your Near wallet, you can also do that. I did mention that this protocol is actually still being built, but they do have a Near Protocol wallet. To access that Near Protocol wallet, you would just go to wallet.near.org. I'm gonna actually leave this link in the description of this video, but you just have to create your account and you'll be able to use your Near Protocol wallet. Of course, it's different from the MetaMask, typical MetaMask wallet. But like I said, this is a layer one blockchain, and sometimes layer ones do their own thing, have their own wallets, just like Terra Luna and some of these other layer one blockchains. But yes, like I said, you could buy Near token on Gate.io. That's everything I have for y'all. I love Near. I think Near has a lot of room to grow as a layer one blockchain, and that's it, y'all. Have a blessed day.